When bad things happen to an electric motor, it's the job of a circuit breaker to save the day. This can go terribly wrong if the rush of current is too low and the circuit breaker delays the decision to brake. Things heat up real fast, cause fires or harm to employees. This rush of current can't happen if you have bad crimps, loose connections, corroded isolators, poor earthing, or circuit breakers and contacts with degraded contacts. In the EU and UK, there are mandatory testing and guidelines for periodic maintenance. On average, 3-phi reliability find 10% of circuits with bad resistive defects and another 10% with warning defects. Kickstart your preventative maintenance.